What's going on, guys? Nathan with Technology Smash back with another video, and today I have something exciting. I have a pretty good, as you can see, case selection lineup from Smartish. So I reached out to Smartish myself actually and was interested in trying some of their cases, and they were super generous and they were all for it and sent me out some samples, I guess you'd say, and we're gonna take a look at the lineup that they sent us so we can kind of check out these new cases. So if you've ever heard of Silk, Silk is a company that I bought multiple cases from, and I had no idea, but that is who Smartish now is. So if this case looks familiar, this wallet slayer style that used to be made by Silk, that is now Smartish. So it's the same company. We're going to take a look at some of their cases, and like I said, they were super cool and sent these all out to me to just do a video on and kind of look over them. So thank you to Smartish. I really appreciate it. I'll link their information down below so you can check out these cases. I'm really excited because my iPhone 11 Pro is new and it's always hard for me to find a case, so this gives me several choices and I can kind of check them out. So let's get right into this. So the first one here we're gonna do these two, is a couple of wallet style cases. I always like packaging like these two. They have this little open sesame tab here. It's saying connect with us, but this is the first one here, Wallet Slayer Volume 1. Secures 3 cards, grippy sides, and protective. Blues on the green. So we're gonna pull that. It just kind of slides all the way out. Ooh, that's a cool color, blue. And inside you get a couple of stickers. You get the regular, just a white Smartish sticker, and a Smartish hashtag sticker too. No commitment issues here, lifetime warranty, contact us anytime. So that's really cool if anything were to happen. This is exactly the same case, except it's a different style, obviously. And you can actually see that on there, that there was an iPhone, probably a XS, but we have a 11 Pro. So the cutout you can see is massive because that's how the new phone is, and the wallet slot is over here. So we're gonna go ahead and slide this phone in. I love the fit and feel of these cases, and this is no different from how it was with the Silk cases. So obviously the big benefit to this one, and you can see the back here, looks nice and perfect with the cutout. The benefit here, and let me grab some of these cards, is that this is a wallet case. So this replaced several times for me wallet and phone at the same time. So you just slide these in. Let me do one at a time because there's a grip that actually helps keep it. Actually, you know what? There might be a thing in here stopping it on purpose. There we go. Okay, so the cards slide in and they do not come out. There's like a hold in the center there. Once they're in, they're not coming out until you want them to, and when you want them to, you press right here and they slide out and you can use them. What's nice about this is it does obviously add a little bit of thickness right there. When it's in your pocket, it kind of pushes down, but you eliminate a wallet. So you do eliminate another thing that already was taking up size and space. I really like these two because on the sides, and it's gonna be kind of hard to film here, but they have this bumpy matted material. And even on this new one, there's divots like finger grooves that you would hold into. This is a case that's not coming out of my hand if I'm holding it. So you can see normal cutouts on the bottom here. The buttons are very clicky, even though they're not actually really there. They're part of the case, but they're easy to identify. And the mute rocker switch is nice and large, no problem grabbing it. And it's just an all around, it's a solid case. It's made with one piece, and I just love that I can take this. Usually what I'll do is take like a driver's license, a debit card, and a credit card. That pretty much should cover me for everything. Anything else I can usually have like as a digital card on my phone. But that stuff just slides right in. So really, really like these wallet cases. That being said, let's check out another wallet case that I have not seen before or that I haven't used. This one is the Wallet Slayer Volume 2. So it's the same style or type, but it is like more of a fabric-y material. So this one that they sent me is purple. I might do a giveaway of some of this stuff because like this case, I probably won't use myself just because of the color. Not the biggest purple fan, but that feels really nice. And I think that might be actually like a little kickstand slot. So this case here is going to be just like this one in the fact that it holds cards, and they're going to slide in more of like a little pouch, like a fabric. And that actually makes it a little bit thinner because of the strength of that holder. It doesn't have that little bump in the center. And that's very thin. It's basically the thickness of the cards just stuck to the back of the phone. That feels really nice in my hand. That's a big thing too with cases like this. If it's a wallet case, it's got to feel good in the hand because it's going to be a little bit bigger. This has almost no extra size to it, which is really cool. I don't know if this one, let me see. I don't see any info on this little slot here. But there is that little finger push out right here. But next to the cards, you see that that slit that goes all the way down if my camera would ever focus. I don't know if that is some kind of card stand. I think it is. I'm gonna go with that it is. If you push it in hard enough, it stays in there, it's not coming out. And these cards feel really good in this side here. So yeah, I'll probably be giving some of these away. So just stay tuned, stay close to the channel. I'm gonna link some social media that I'm trying to help grow too, so stay down there. Might do it through Instagram, just a quick giveaway. This fabric feeling feels really good. It has the same exact ridges and bumps as this wallet case does, except the back is what's different here. So this is actually like a plasticky fabric type of material. This case feels fantastic. I really like how this feels. So this would be a perfect one probably for a giveaway if you guys are interested. Just go ahead and follow some instructions. I'll probably add them to the bottom of this video on what we'll do with that. But that is case number 2. So that is the second wallet style case. Again, these are all pretty easy to take on and off also. The next ones, these are all within the same family, it looks like. So they are called Gripzilla. So I have 2 different colors of the Gripzilla. There is a black tie affair and a minty fine. So let's look at those real quick. I'll put on just one of them since they're the same case. Same thing, open sesame, you pull and it just flies out. Okay, so same kind of deal for the sides, except they have edges that sort of stick out on the corners. You can see them for added corner protection if it falls. The back of the case is like a hard plastic it's smooth, but the sides are so grippy that it's not going to be a problem. It's not going to slide around. Then this inside is like this really heavy duty rubber here. So let's go ahead and pop the phone into this one. All these same thing, just go mute rocker, mute switch side in first and just push them in. And same deal, it feels great in the hand. The button is very clicky on the side. This grip is even better because of those little divots. You can see all around the curves that are in it, how it kind of goes with your hands. There's even a little lanyard holes on some of these too. Same thing for the cutouts. I'm not going to go over all those because they're all there. They all fit just fine. But that is the Gripzilla. I like that one. That one feels really cool. You know what? I will check out the black one just because that's probably the one I'll rock. Just because I like darker phone cases and clear ones, which is the one we have up next. So here's the black one. Same exact case. It's just black all the way around. I probably for sure will be using this case. I can already tell that I like it. And look at that, I do. Looks really good. I have the midnight green, by the way. 11 Pro, but same thing, hard plastic, nice rubber, thick on the sides, lanyard hole, things like that, added corner protection. These are all like one solid piece. I hate phone cases for the most part that are 2 pieces that go together, like it goes into a soft case and then a hard shell snaps around the outside. They usually have so many annoying issues. So there's that one. This one is the last actual case, and then a couple of accessories they also sent me added onto it. So this is the Kung Fu grip, which the other one was Gripzilla, so this does have a different name. Pairs nicely with 11 Pro, nothing to hide. So this is a clear case. I love clear cases, always have, probably always will. Some of them do yellow over time, but to me it's worth it because, you know, it takes a little while. So this is a clear case, so you can see it has that like opaque color on the outside. Same thing, it has those little divots you can feel with your fingers. This one has raised bumps, so you're not going to scratch up the back as easily. And then the inside has that dot matrix that won't create that rainbow effect. I can't wait to see how this one looks. This is going to be nice. Same thing, obviously. All the cutouts are there. Looks really nice. Shows off the color of your phone. I love clear cases. There's not a ton for me to say about this one. I'll probably actually use this one like full time while I'm messing around and trying different cases. But I like this one a lot. That's perfect for me. Next thing here is an accessory called a Pop-tart. So this is basically like the solution of pop sockets and of grippy cases, or not grippy cases, I can't think of the word, but it creates a section of the back of your phone that kind of folds flat when you don't need it, and when you do, it pops up and creates an easier way to hold your phone one-handed. So let's see. It is a kickstand, one-handed texting, and selfies, need we say more. So this has some 3M tape on it. I'm gonna use one of the cases that I probably won't stick with just because I'm sure it comes off nice and easy, but I don't want to get that clear one gunky. So this peels off and then it sticks to the back. Let's see. I want to see what direction. So you put it straight on the back like this. That way you keep a flat, nice profile, and then that pulls up just like that. So it's like a loopy case is the word I was trying to think of. So nice, strong 3M. I just put that on and barely stuck it, and it's not going anywhere. It says that it can also be a kickstand, which is kind of true. I probably placed it a little more in the center than they want you to. But this kind of just lifts up and then flops back down. And it's nice and thin, so when you're not using it, and I know these are really popular, this kind of thing, and I didn't even know they made this, but that makes one-handed use very easy because you can be very, very free, and when you reach for stuff, it's not going to throw you off. So that is that accessory. And last but not least, they just sent me a couple of glass screen protectors, which I always use now because I hate seeing those scratches that happen no matter what. Those little pocket scratches. So let's just check these out real quick. They're probably just pretty standard, I would assume. Just want to make sure you have phone protection. Nice, it comes with a little guide, which is great. And a full kit to make sure that the screen is nice and clean. Yeah, so these are just the standard size and cut out like that. And then they have the guide, which I already have one on right now and it's perfectly on, so I'm not gonna take it off obviously, but you put your phone in this guide, clean it all up. I don't wanna mess up my current one. You put it in this guide, you clean it all up, and then when you slide in the screen protector, it can't miss like the perfect section because it fits in almost like a puzzle piece. So slide it in. They're real serious about protecting your phone, and all this stuff that comes with it is to clean it and make sure it's perfect. So again, please show them some love if you're looking for a phone case. Their prices are super reasonable. They've always made great cases. Again, this was Silk formerly, but please check them out. I'll link them down below. Thank them so much. I do. Thank them so much. Thanks Smartish for sending all these cases out. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I tried to make that as quick as I could, but to still go over everything. So thanks for sticking with me if you're still here. And as always, I'll catch you next time. Later.